Today I'll show you how to change the thumbnail on your YouTube Shorts. It's a little confusing, but we'll get through it step by step. You'll need to go to your App Store and find the YouTube app. Make sure that your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. So if you see a blue update button, go ahead and click on that. Alright, once it's updated, you'll see the blue button says Open Now. You can either click the blue Open button or go to your phone's desktop and find the YouTube app button. Go ahead and click on the YouTube Studio app button. It should open up with Dashboard, Content, Analytics, Community, and Earn down at the bottom. Now you want to look at the upper right hand corner and click on that little circle. You'll come up to a window like this and you want to click on YouTube next. Now if you look at the bottom, you should have Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and then the U button, and click on U. You'll now see a window that has your videos, downloads, your movies and TV. You want to click on the Your Videos button. Here your videos will come up and you can see three dots to the right of each video. You want to click on the three dots for the video that you want to change. After clicking on the three dots, you'll get this menu: Save to Playlist, Share Video, Promote, and then you'll see Edit. And now you want to hit the Edit button. You should see a little pencil now on the upper left corner of your thumbnail. Go ahead and click on that. And now you'll see the thumbnail full screen, and you can choose which frame you want to be your thumbnail. After you pick which one, click on the check mark in the upper right hand corner. Last step, click on the blue Save button and you're all done. And just a note, when you see all those thumbnails down at the bottom there, you can actually slide that little box back and forth and it'll give you multiple frames to choose from. You don't have to specifically choose a single square that they give you. Okay, that's it. And if you want to get back to the original window that had the dashboard, you have to just exit out of everything and then click on YouTube. And you'll be back to the Dashboard, Content, Analytics window. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this useful.